Right, I'm out with fucking Chunky Butt.
Hey, that's Mr. Chunky Butt here.
We've got some bad news. Our Auckland's not walking his ferret, and he's ran into a pack of, well, there's been a pack of gibbons escaped from Chester Zoo, and they're floating about sea now, and I think it's someone's got the traces off, so we're gonna try and find them. But first, we're gonna get ourselves a fucking doink stick.
Aye, this doink stick's fucking empty, so we need a new one.
Well, we've got the old fucking doink stick. Show the boys. Now we need to go and look for my uncle's face. Oh yeah.
We're showing dates, folks. 31 to 30 zone.
Oh, hail!
Straight on the pot. Oh.
Don't know if it's going to work, like, because normally it's a little stream. That's fucking lethal, that, like.
Oh no, we're about to commit
But we've got the Snidey coat on, the fucking Gang of the Coos, Manchester special.
Gang of the Goose.
Got the wellies on. And we're off to find fucking Babylon HQ, where these fucking face ripping gibbons are. Well, that's the job absolutely fucked. It's never like this. That's supposed to be just completely flat, about that fucking big, just like pinker. Well, 3 days later we came back, and that's how it should be. Nice and fucking low. This is absolutely skitchy as fuck, this like.
Just imagine like someone moved the waters. I fucking shit myself with. What's wrong like on this? I don't like that. It's sketchy as fuck. It's quite a pitch bad. This one's the brightest light as well. I imagine like someone just moved the water, you know. I think it's sketchy with me. Should be asked, man. Well, it was your idea to come up, mate. You managed when you did that, I thought it was someone else. I thought I jumped out my skin. Hey, how fucking far is this tunnel gone wrong on that? Literally never ever will. Low battery on me, lads. So your right's got low battery as well. So I've got
The head torch on now, like, so that's a bit better lighting for us.
let's see where this motherfucker takes us. You see this is too fast for you, like? Yeah, it's a bit fast, isn't it? And it's still kind of stuck to the side. How far on the car? Yeah? I don't know. Yeah? This is yours. Come on, Molly.
Probably one of the fucking scariest things I've done this way. Actually shit me yourself.
Fucking hell, man. What do you want again? Try not to put them foot on the roof. Fucking hell. Where's the button? Let's get the button line. Holy shit. It's got a little fucking freakiest place I've ever been in this week.
Well, honestly, I haven't any idea where we're going, how far this place even goes or anything. Just want to keep following the trail.
Yeah? Yeah, I'll pass it to them. Need to turn it back down, man, Shag. Careful with this one here, it's got in the floor like. Problems. Just looks like the fucking never ever ends, like. Oh, look at that. Bit of a struggle getting past here, like, the path's getting scary as fuck now, like.
And what more?
No, it should be alright, so. It's gone to my GoPro's not waterproof now in this fucking case, like.
Yeah?
I said my GoPro's not waterproof in this fucking media mode. And what I'm going for you. I think well, that's with it. I think that's the first bit now.
Well, we're out the first tunnel.
Still no sign of the uncle though. He's not looking promising, I can't
Brought us
like
into
you.
some mad fucking Raj forest, like. Fucking proper scary shit, this, like. Oof. It's that dark, you can't even fucking see anything. That's the next bit there. You need to drop down there. And then head inside there, just fucking, I don't know how deep it is, or how low it goes. So we might have to come back during the day when it's a bit more lighter. Because these lights aren't very good, like. So we've done the first bit there. Well, we haven't got a clue where we're going. Let's turn this fucking torch down a bit. We haven't got a clue where we're going or anything. Can't see in front of us. Just literally winging this, like, just trying to follow the trail of water. I think it takes us to a new tunnel, so we'll have a look. Well, we found the second tunnel. I'm looking at the water like this in case I drop the camera. Shit. Oh, just about fucking getting in here. We're seeing a fucking wrapping out area. This is probably all fucking shite running down the walls and that. But we're going to get in even further. Actually, it wasn't good. This is just fucking disgusting. Like. See what we're going to do? Are you drenched out? I can't believe I didn't record the whole wall jumping from there. I'm fucking gutted.
I thought it was gone, just like what, wasn't it? Can't do the fucking splits here. The little bottle, that was scary as fuck, this one. Down at the water now? Yeah. Well, you're going to lose willies.
They come down.
Yeah?
They come down.
Too deep now?
What? Yeah. They go up. Go back in.
I don't know if I can see the end there, can I see the end there? No, it's still gone even further than it. Yeah?
Over that one.
Do I head that way? Well, we're going to call it a meet and come back even further tomorrow once we find the packing mat. Oh, yeah, at least we can't know where we're going now though. That's the main thing. Goose gonna fall off. Oh, my legs! I'm stuck. Yeah. I can't spit, I've got every fucking thing in my hand.
Check the fucking squelcher out, walk. Check this little fatty out on the cans, man. Get the butt in.
Oh!
How drenched the boy is, man.
Drench them on.
Oh, we're miles away from the car now. We're now trying hitchhiking. Lift for fucking mush. Well, second time we'll come down and we're now where we're going a bit better now, like, so next time we'll come down fully prepared. I'm going again the full distance, like.
And not get drenched.
Not get drenched, it's fucking big fat party. Well, nice and dry. He's got to try fucking barefooted.
Drench them on.
Stick that one.